The challenges facing steel projects these days can be daunting.
There's a lot of challenges I see now in the construction industry. Keeping to schedule is definitely number one.
So what are the biggest challenges facing steel construction today? The problem really is incomplete designs and changes.
Another challenge that we see is constant repetitive tasks, and if we can reduce the amount of time needed to do the repetitive tasks, so we can spend more time doing the more custom and more interesting things that we do as structural engineers.
The luxury of time doesn't exist as it did 30 years ago.
I think there's a lot of inertia in industry right now that just holds things back because in general we're a bit slow to adopt new technologies.
Think about it. 70% of projects are delivered late. 73% of construction projects are over budget. For too long, these inefficiencies have been accepted as normal, expected, a condition of the industry. The fact is, the old ways of working aren't working. That's why now there's a newer way, a better way. One company is revolutionizing steel design and delivery with a super automated approach. One company. Say hello to Qnect. They've combined the proven time-saving delivery method of using an early connected model with their RFI erasing software for super automated and optimized early connected steel. There's nothing else like it in the industry.
Reducing RFI is like everybody's dream. So the idea of being able to reduce RFIs because there's just so much more shown in a three-dimensional model is a huge time saver.
Qnect software identifies inefficiencies and issues early in steel connections and framing and uses automation to recommend ways to cut costs and stay on schedule.
So Qnect can help with this whole process of delivering early connected models by allowing the design team to actually put together a three-dimensional model with all the information that's needed to actually do a full, accurate bid.
When we use Qnect, they're able to run hundreds of different scenarios so we can optimize the connection from plate size to weld size to bolts.
It helps us turn around tight designs in a short amount of time. That helps with a lot of things. It helps with procurement. It helps get us to ABM quickly, actual cut lengths of beams in a short amount of time, and that's absolutely critical for the industry.
The results: 5% lower bids, 50% fewer change orders, up to 10% less steel usage, 10% less carbon. Here's how it works. The EOR shares design information and Qnect does the rest. The software detects and resolves issues early and creates the Qnected model. As the design progresses, Qnect rapidly responds to changes. With the time-saving speed of its software, only Qnect can detect and resolve issues early, so the team can focus on creating more efficient designs, respond rapidly to changes to keep the project moving.
The Qnect output goes automatically into the model. And that's the big, big savings in time.
At the Fenway Center in Boston, 414 excess beam reinforcements were detected and eliminated prior to fabrication, with 25% of bolts saved. At 66 Hudson Boulevard in Manhattan, 144 person weeks were saved in production, millions of dollars in steel savings projected. For 2 Manhattan West, months of time were shaved off the schedule.
By producing a connected model with Qnect's help, the construction schedule was accelerated by up to 6 months.
Time is money. And the connected modeling process saves time and saves money.
It's all about time. Time to deliver more accurate and complete designs, time to focus on the most complex engineering problems, time to resolve issues before they become RFIs, change orders, and extras, time to respond quickly to changes. What's next in steel? It's happening right now.
We're excited for the future of connected models and the automation used to create them, and we're really trying to encourage as many of our clients as possible to embrace this new technology and new way of delivering projects, and we think it's the future of structural engineering.
Now we have to have the ability to get this methodology out to large firms, to small firms. And yes, eventually, hopefully, every engineering firm.
As a structural engineer, if you want to be able to be competitive in this market, you have to be able to provide the early connected model.
This is just such a game changer, and it's such a better process that I do think that this will be the standard of care in the future.
We shouldn't be afraid to make change if the change improves what we're doing.
Early connected models by Qnect. Steel, super automated, optimized.